As you can see, the front and rear parts of the vehicle were
ABS میخواد فعال شه اینجا عمل کرده که همین
These two vehicles are this This is the front origin, and that is rear origin.
Testing from crash and back crash.
Crash test.
Okay.
From front crash and استخدام داغ میشه. آره.
To achieve a 95% vehicle recovery rate. Beginning at the development stage, we set out to make a vehicle that was easy to dismantle through the recyclable design concept into this model's design. For example, on the fuel tank are two different marks. One is an easy to dismantle mark. Close by, there is a mark to indicate where to drill a hole to remove the fuel. The easy to dismantle mark was established to indicate where to start the dismantling in each process to improve the efficiency of body dismantling. The airbag simultaneous deactivation system processes the airbags. Airbags of all makes are electrically connected to a common connector. Many airbags can be simultaneously deactivated, thereby saving time. The easy-to-dismantle mark on the trim of each door indicates the presence of a catch hole. By gripping the hole and strongly pulling on the trim, it is easily removed. Previously, soundproofing felt was glued on the backside of the door trim. The design was modified to glue the felt to the steel side of the door. Now, the job of detaching the soundproofing felt from the door trim has been eliminated. The catch-hole system is also used on the deck side trim and back door board to make them easy to detach from the body. For deck side trim, previously the soundproofing felt was glued to the entire surface of the trim. Currently, it is easier to peel off because an ultrasonic spot method is used to attach the felt. Now that screws are no longer necessary to attach small parts to the body, these parts can be easily removed. The grille, upper and lower bumper have been integrated into one part, simplifying the dismantling process. The easy-to-dismantle mark is also on each bumper. In the new design, the bumper is constructed so that it can be easily detached from the vehicle body by applying a strong upward force. The easy-to-dismantle mark is also applied to the instrument panel to indicate where to exert force for easy disassembly. Also, V-grooves are set in locations where the panel is fitted to the body, making it easier to disassemble the panel. A belt has been attached to the wire harness at a balance point to allow the wire harness to be efficiently removed with just a pull. The construction of the wire harness grounding terminal was modified so that it can be separated like a pull tab when the wire harness is pulled strongly upward. As a result, the engine compartment wire harness recovery rate is 97%, 20% higher than the conventional rate. In the previous model, the wire harness was installed within the instrument panel. Now the wire harness is on the panel reinforcement, an easily accessible location. Also, the junction block attachment has been notched so that the notch will tear when the harness is strongly pulled up. The dismantling belt has also been added for the floor and the doors. The time required to dismantle the new ROM is 30% less than that for the previous model. Toyota continues to design vehicles for the revitalization of the earth through environmentally friendly technologies.
Toyota has long worked on developing electric vehicles as part of our program of making automobiles friendly to people and to the earth. Recently, we announced the new kind of EV, the Toyota Econ. Toyota Econ is a two-seater commuter. It is friendly to the environment and it conserves energy. It runs quietly, and it can even reduce traffic congestion. Of course, it can be used as a second car for commuting or shopping, as well as a host of uses we haven't even thought of yet. One of the possibilities attracting the most attention is using
Toyota は従来より環境に優しい車作り
Toyota has long worked on developing electric vehicles as part of our program of making automobiles friendly to people and to the earth. Recently, we announced a new kind of EV, the Toyota Econ. Toyota Econ is a two-seater commuter. It is friendly to the environment and it conserves energy. It runs quietly, and it can even reduce traffic congestion. Of course, it can be used as a second car for commuting or shopping.
The environment of this beautiful aqua planet has been undergoing changes year by year. In the past, metropolitan areas were affected by severe environmental problems, such as photochemical smog. Toyota has been conducting research and development on various sources of energy, aiming to realize a motorized society as environmental.